Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the next class. Now, let us do the book back exercises. Before getting on to the exercises, let us see today's quotation. Look at the blackboard. Today's quotation is, unity is strength. I repeat, unity is strength. The meaning is, being together is strength. Being together is strength. Now, the quotation, unity is strength. You can take page number 6. So here you have several exercises under read and understand. Choose the correct synonyms for the italicized words. Few words are italicized in the question. What you have to find out the synonyms. Synonyms means meanings. So we have to find out the meanings for the italicized words.
Question number 1. Nice fun indeed. The meaning for the word indeed is in fact. Question number 2. The poor woman is in a panic. Meaning for the word panic is fear. Question number 3. The mother consoled her little girl. Consoled meaning comforted. Next question. You are always self-centered. Meaning for the word self-centered is egoistic. Question number 5. What is the secret you are whispering? Synonym for the word whispering is murmur.
Exercise B. Find out the antonyms for the following words. What is the meaning for antonyms? It is nothing but opposites. Antonyms means opposites. So 5 words are given there. We have to find out the meaning. Come on, let us write the answers.
Number 1. Delight. Opposite, displease. Number 2. Disgrace. Opposite, glory. Number 3. Careless. Opposite, careful. Number 4. Secret. Opposite, public. Number 5. Confine. Answer, release.
Exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks. So, few sentences are given for you. We have to fill in the blanks with the understanding of the lesson.
Number 1. The birds build their nests in the dash. Answer, roof. Number 2. The diamond jewel was lying in the dash. Answer, muck heap. Number 3. The diamond jewel belonged to dash. Meenakshi Ammal's daughter. Question number 4. Dash was the servant maid of Meenakshi Ammal. Answer, Kuppayi. Number 5. Ramaya and his wife lived with the fear of getting caught.
Say the following statements are true or false. Read these sentences and find out whether the statement given there is true or false.
First one. 2 sparrows built a nest on a tree top. Answer, false. Number 2. Kuppayi swept out the diamond jewel. Answer, true. Number 3. Ramaya gave the diamond jewel to the magistrate. Answer, false. Number 4. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. Answer, true. Number 5. The police searched Ramaya's home. Answer, false.
Now E. Answer the following questions. Let me read out the questions for you one by one and give the answer.
Question number 1. Where did the sparrows build the nest? Answer, the sparrows built the nest in a nice spot in the roof of Ramaya's house. Question number 2. Why did the bird drop the diamond stud? Answer, the wife bird shouted at the male bird to go in search of food. So, it dropped the diamond stud. Question number 3. What were the words of Meenakshi Ammal to her daughter? Meenakshi Ammal told her daughter not to tell her father about the lost diamond no stud. Question number 4. Who was suspected of stealing the diamond nose stud? Answer. The maid servant Kuppai was suspected of stealing the diamond nose stud. Question number 5. What did Ramaya's wife do with the stud? Answer. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. Last question. What happened to Ramaya's wife at the end? Answer. Ramaya's wife developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed.
Next one, answer the following in about 100 words. Here again I'll give you the answers. For the 2 questions given there, you have to write the answers in your notebook.
The first question is, why did the sparrow throw the nose jewel into Ramaya's house? Answer. One day, the male sparrow found a diamond nose jewel in a heap. He picked it up and came to the nest with the shining stud in his beak and informed his wife about it. The female bird shouted at him and told him that the diamond jewel was not of any use for her. She asked the male sparrow to search for food for their young ones. So the bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. Question number 2. Explain how Ramaya's wife reacted when she saw the nose jewel. Answer. When Ramaya's wife was sweeping the floor, she found the diamond nose stud. She picked it up with delight and wore it. Her husband told her that it was a mistake to keep the jewel. She did not bother about it. She knew that the jewel belonged to her neighbor's daughter, yet she did not reveal about it to anyone. The maid servant of the neighbor was suspected. The police searched her heart but could not find it. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed.
The first exercise given under vocabulary is homophones. Hope you all know what is a homophone. So what is the name of it? Homophone. So this homophone can be split into 2. Homophone. So what is the meaning for homo?
Homo means same and phone means sound. So homophone means same sound.
For example, new. N-E-W. What is this? New. How will we pronounce it? New. What is the meaning for the word new? It is nothing but something which is fresh. The next word is K-N-E-W. In the first word, the spelling is N-E-W, where it is pronounced as new. And in the second word again, we are adding K to the word new. So K-N-E-W. K-N-E-W. New. Here again, the pronunciation is same. So what is the meaning for the second word new? It is I know. I'm sure about it. I know very well. So that is the meaning for new. I already know what happened. So here these 2 words have different spellings but the pronunciations are same. It has same sound, new and new. Hope you can understand now. Week. W-E-E-K-E. So here the first word, the spelling is W-E-A-K. It is called as week. And then second one, W-E-E-K. Week. Again, the pronunciation is same. Though the spellings varies, it has the same phonic sound or the pronunciation sound. So it is called as homophones. What is the meaning for the word weak? Being very weak. So the person is very weak because of his sickness. The person is very weak because he is not feeling good. And then come to the second word, W-E-E-K, week. What is the meaning for week? Here, a month has 4 weeks. Hope you understood. So we have 4 weeks in a month. That week will be spelled as W-E-E-K, week. So I have given two examples for you. So with these two examples you can understand the meaning for homophones.
The other examples are hole, H-O-L-E, hole, which means a gap in something. W-H-O-L-E, hole, which means full. Knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, knight, which means a soldier. N-I-G-H-T, night, which means night time. See, S-E-E, see, looking or watching something. S-E-A, see, which means beach. Now, there are two exercises given below. The first exercise for you to do is pick out the correct homophones. Look at the first sentence. I am not dash to drink soda. So now there are two options given for you, allowed and allowed. A-L-O-U-D, allowed, means loudly. And the second allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed, means permitted. So here the answer is I am not allowed, that is permitted, to drink soda. The second sentence is the wind dashed the leaves. The options are blue, B-L-U-E, blue, which denotes a color, and B-L-E-W, blue, which means the past tense of blowing. So the answer for the sentence is the wind blew the leaves. Number 3, I will dash my friend. The options are meet, meet, M-E-A-T, meet, M-E-E-T, meet. Here the answer is I will meet my friend. Number 4, he will play the dash in the second play. The options are role, R-O-L-E, role, which means a character, and R-O-L-L, roll, means the register number in which you are enrolled. Now coming to the fifth one, I have dashed the movie already. The options are seen, seen, S-C-E-N-E, seen, which means the part of a play, and S-E-E-N, seen, means looked. So the answer is S-E-E-N, seen. I have seen my friend. Let us write the answers for the second exercise. Choose the correct homophone. Number 1, every morning my father likes to look at the dash on the grass. Option A, dew, D-U-E, meaning planned. Option B, dew, D-E-W, dew, which means small drops of water on the plants in the early morning. So here the answer is option B, dew, D-E-W, dew. Number 2, Chennai is the dash of Tamil Nadu. Option A, capital, C-A-P-I-T-O-L, which means a building or a group of buildings in which legislative body meets. Option B, capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital, which means the capital city of the state. So here the answer is option B, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital. Number 3, I was very dash last weekend because my friends went to the village without informing me. Option A, bored, B-O-R-E-D, meaning feeling tired. Option B, board, B-O-A-R-D, board, a long, thin, flat piece of wood. So what is the answer here? It is option A, board, B-O-R-E-D, board. Question number 4, the cat caught the dash of a mouse. Option A, scent, S-C-E-N-T, scent. The meaning is a pleasant smell. Option B, cent, C-E-N-T, cent, a small unit of money like coins which we use in India. So the answer is Option A, scent, S-C-E-N-T, scent. Question number 5. The dash rises in the east. Option A, sun, S-O-N, sun, which means a male child. Option B, S-U-N, sun, the morning star, which we see on the sky. So the answer is option B, S-U-N, sun. The sun rises in the east.
The next exercise in page number 8 is abbreviations and acronyms. Now let us know what is the meaning for abbreviation. Look at the board. Abbreviation. The definition for abbreviation is an abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. So what does it mean? Abbreviation is nothing but it is a shortened form, the shortest form of something in description. So the example given in your book is PM. So what is the full form for PM? Prime Minister. So this shortened form is called as abbreviation. This is called as expansion. So there are few examples given for you. ATM, which means automated teller machine. The next one is GB, gigabyte, which is a computer language. PC, which means personal computer. CEO, which means Chief Educational Officer. The next one is MS, EMIS, MS, Educational Management Information System. Looking at the example, you can very well understand that the abbreviation will be always in capital letters. It will be in the uppercase of the English language, which means in capital letters. And when we write the expansion for the abbreviation, then again the abbreviated letters, example PM. When we write the expansion, this P must be in capital letter and then the M must be in capital letter. Now we are clear about the meaning of abbreviation. Now coming to the next one, what is an acronym? An acronym is a shortened form of a phrase and is usually made of the initial letters. So what we can understand here, acronyms and abbreviations are more or less similar. So here acronym is also like abbreviation, a shortened form of a phrase. It's usually made of the initial letters. So come to the example, NATO, NATO. Here again, as in the case of abbreviation, the shortened form is in capital letter, and then the expansion of NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Here, what is the second meaning given here in acronyms? It is usually made of the initial letters. So what are the initial letters given here? N for North, A for Atlantic, T for Treaty, and O for Organization. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Let us look at the other examples given below. AVADI, AVADI, Armed Vehicles and Ammunition Department of India. Second one, RAM, RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, 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 Read Only Memory. So in all these examples we can understand specific letters which is given in the acronyms will be as the initial letters of the expansion. Now expand the following. So under this acronym there is an exercise given for you where you have to write the expansion of the abbreviations and the acronyms given below. Let us do the exercise.